It's on.
98, 97.
To get to 50, see what I have.
Okay.
Okay,
So
I'm ready.
everybody's 1, 2, 3.
Presents.
Okay. Now we're gonna do. We got a question and answer.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask a question. I'll just start right down the line. If you know the answer, say it. If you don't, it goes to the next person. Okay.
Okay, so if you get it right, you get to open it.
If you get that right, you get to open. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, Jackson. And nobody else say anything. How many reindeer are there, including Rudolph?
Oh.
I know the answer.
I'm sure you know all these answers.
8.
Very good. You can open your gift.
How many?
No, that's not right.
Is that right?
No, that's not right.
Including Rudolph. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donder, Blitz, and
And Rudolph.
well, I said you were right.
Go ahead, Jackson.
You can't ask a question. You don't know the answer.
I thought I
Okay,
did. You're good.
yeah, that's okay, bud. Grandma said you can open it.
Go
Let's
ahead.
open it.
Man,
Grandma's
right?
one.
I want this.
No,
You
that's
can
it,
open it.
Grandma.
No, it's on my gift cards and my ticket.
You don't know that.
What mine is a paper.
Girls.
That's one way to open. Get a bag for trash.
Yeah.
I need to move this.
You might want to go out in the garage and get a big black one, Matthew.
The really cool part is, Jackson, what's wrong, you get to open one of her presents.
Steelers sweatshirt.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can take it out of the box.
Whoa, you
Hey.
need the sweatshirts. You need those.
Yeah, I can only wear 3 of them at a time.
Okay.
What'd you? No.
You ready?
Very
Okay.
That's really nice.
If I listen to it, I did it.
Okay, Jackson.
Oh my gosh.
That's nice.
I don't want. Let's keep
what I got.
this one.
This.
I have a hair.
And this is the concert band. I have to wait for the concert to get in.
Okay. What is the name in the movie Madagascar? What is the name of King Julian's girlfriend
You want to keep it
in the plane?
No.
Do you know? Okay.
Pinch.
Jack. Okay.
Calm down.
Grace, do you know? Are you sure you would think about that? It was in the airplane, and he's offering her a gift. Do you remember? Okay. Okay.
I know it. Amelia.
Amelia.
Amelia Rosehorn.
No, Amelia.
Okay.
Earhart.
Hold on to that. Don't open that yet. Emily,
Matt, you're awesome.
how many times did Aunt Julie ride, or your mom, Expedition Everest?
I know.
9.
All right, take the bag, and you and Grace can both open yours.
She was 50. I can draw 9.
Hey, Emily,
Yeah.
is that recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Turn it off, okay?
Oh, look at that.
Emily.
Headphones.
Oh my goodness.
Don't let your Muffy headphones.